I love this input slicer. You can filter by text. For example, BE, it's going to filter for Beyonce, Bieber, or even a misspelled Beyonce. My name is David Benham, and I love talking about the new stuff that comes out in Power BI and Excel and Zoom and Teams. So let's get started. So let me copy this visual and add a new page, and I'm going to paste Control V. And then I'm going to add an input slicer. So the input slicer icon is this one. It used to be called the text slicer when it was in preview, but now it's generally available and it's changed name. So you do need to add a field. So I'm going to put in the Singer field in here. And then in here, I can choose certain formatting things. So here in the drop-down list, this is on it by default. You can choose contains any, contains all, contains, does not contain any, etc. Is any, is not any, starts with, etc. So I can type in here whatever I want. So I can type in B and it will do that. One of my favorite settings to adjust is in slicer settings, accept multiple values. I usually put that on. So I can do that, yes, and BR as well. And then it would get Britney. And if I click X, then it will remove all the things that I want the slicer to take into account. So other things here you can look at and change the colors, the other things as well, the filter operator, write the text like that. And then it would show you contains any or not. Now, bit of a bug for me because it cuts it off like that. If I turn off text, then it shows me the whole thing. So yeah, I'm sure they'll fix that soon, but I really, really like this slicer. Let me know in the comments if this is something that you could find useful. Thanks for watching.